Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Hey everyone! Upgrade your driving experience with the top 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon in 2026. From smart tech to must-have accessories, these innovative tools make every ride safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you want convenience, style, or performance, these gadgets will transform your car instantly. Stay tuned, you won't believe what's coming next. So, let's get started. Number 20 is Window Breaker 2-in-1 Car Escape Tool. Stay prepared for emergencies with the 2-in-1 Car Escape Tool, available for around $19. Built with a powerful tungsten steel tip, it breaks car windows instantly, even in extreme heat or underwater situations, ensuring fast escape when it matters most. This compact tool also features a sharp, one-hand seatbelt cutter for quick release during accidents. The built-in flashlight offers both strobe and steady light modes, providing up to 6 hours of visibility in emergencies. Designed for convenience, it's lightweight, ergonomic, and can be carried as a keychain or stored in your car. A small tool that delivers big safety when you need it most. The next is Number 19. Olpro 3-in-1 Car Charging Station. Transform your car into a premium charging zone with the car charging station, now available at 10% off for just $29. Built for modern lifestyles, it delivers up to 36W fast charging, powering multiple devices simultaneously with speed and stability. What makes it stand out is its sleek, retractable design. No more tangled cables or messy interiors. The extendable cords reach passengers easily, then snap back neatly when not in use. Perfect for Uber or Lyft drivers, it mounts securely on the headrest, offering a clean, professional setup that impresses every rider. Compatible with all major devices, iPhone, Android, and more, it ensures everyone stays charged. With 360 degrees rotation and smart cable management, this charger blends convenience, style, and efficiency into one compact upgrade for your car. The next is Number 18. Luffy X1 OBD2 Gauge Display. Upgrade your driving experience with the OBD2 gauge display, now available at 23% off for around $105. This all-in-one HUD device is perfect for cars lacking built-in gauges, offering real-time data like speed, RPM, water temperature, fuel consumption, and turbo pressure on a clear LCD screen. Designed with safety in mind, it displays over 30 driving parameters directly in your line of sight, helping you stay focused on the road while avoiding engine overload. It also reads and clears engine fault codes for added convenience. The device features smart customization for brands like Toyota, Honda, Volkswagen, and Mazda, ensuring accurate performance. With built-in alarms for overspeed, high temperature, and engine issues, plus extra features like acceleration tests and auto brightness adjustment, it's a complete driving companion. The next is Number 17. Leather Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. Say goodbye to the car seat gap black hole with this stylish leather filler organizer, now available at 25% off for just $29. It securely fills the gap between your seat and console, preventing phones, keys, and coins from falling. Designed for convenience, it adds smart storage space for everyday essentials without affecting legroom. Its flexible build fits most cars perfectly, staying firmly in place even while driving. Crafted from premium waterproof leather, it enhances your car's interior with a sleek look. Plus, its driver-friendly design ensures safety, easy seat movement, and organized charging access. The next is Number 16. A Totolife AI Box Wireless CarPlay. Upgrade your driving experience with the Wireless CarPlay, a next-level gadget priced around $199 that brings intelligence and freedom to your dashboard. It effortlessly converts wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless system powered by Android 13 and a smooth octa-core processor. This device isn't just about connectivity, it's about experience. Install your favorite apps, stream content, and enjoy lag-free performance with 4GB RAM and expandable storage up to 256GB. The highlight is its built-in ChatGPT assistant, letting you control music, ask questions, and manage tasks using simple voice commands. Stay connected with 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, while dual Bluetooth enhances pairing and in-car IoT support. Plus, real-time tracking VetTrack who keeps your vehicle secure and always within reach. The next is. Number 15 is Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Now available for around $14 with a 35% discount, the Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool is an essential addition to your car cleaning kit. This tool features an extendable handle that disassembles for easy storage and comes with 4 upgraded microfiber pads, a 60 ml spray bottle, and a storage bag. The high-density microfiber pads offer improved durability and flexibility, preventing streaks and stains. With a 180-degree rotating head, it easily reaches hard-to-access areas behind dashboards. Ideal for cleaning fog, moisture, and dirt on your car's windshield, as well as on glass screens and mirrors in your home. Perfect for all vehicle types, this tool ensures a clean, streak-free finish every time. The next is. Number 14. Inflatable Car Cover Bubble, the ultimate protection for your car. The inflatable car cover bubble offers top-notch protection for your car, keeping it safe, dry, and clean. Its continuous filtered airflow prevents condensation, which is the primary threat when storing vehicles, by maintaining a stable environment. The strong 0.60mm PVC pillars and clear 0.35mm PVC panels safeguard against scratches, dents, and rodents. Featuring a whispered quiet German-engineered fan and a sturdy, washable PVC floor, this cover allows for easy drive-in and drive-out access. The 800W air pump inflates the cover in less than 5 minutes, and the integrated control unit maintains optimal air pressure automatically. The next is. Number 13. 70mm 4K Omni Dash Cam for your cars. Now available for $306 with a 23% discount, the 70mm 4K Omni Dash Cam offers superior performance for your car security. This 4K dash cam records in 3,840 multiplied by 2,160p resolution at 60 FPS, ensuring smooth, high-quality footage. The 146 degrees wide-angle lens and 340 degrees rotation provide 360 degrees coverage, minimizing blind spots even in low light. Equipped with 4G LTE and 24/7 parking monitoring, it sends real-time alerts while distinguishing between people, cars, and animals. The Starvis 2 Night Vision ensures clear footage in low light conditions, and Wi-Fi 6 allows fast 4K video transfers. With accurate GPS tracking and speed monitoring, this dashcam guarantees top-tier security for all vehicles, day or night. The next is. Number 12. Steering Wheel Lock, the ultimate protection for your car. Available now for $249, the steering wheel lock offers the strongest immobilization for your vehicle. Its patented design spins during an attack, preventing steering and protecting your airbag, while also deterring keyless entry theft. This device fits most cars with steering wheels between 13.7 inches and 15.3 inches in diameter. It comes with 3 keys, an official disc lock window sticker, and ensures peace of mind for your vehicle's safety. Additionally, the lock is backed by a 3-year mechanical warranty, providing long-term reliability. Don't compromise on security. Get this high-quality steering wheel immobilizer today to protect your car from theft. The next is. Number 11. Comsoon EUX Bluetooth Adapter for Car. This Bluetooth adapter is now available for around $16 with a 23% discount. This device features a convenient LED screen that displays real-time power and volume levels, keeping you informed. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, it offers faster, more stable connections and improved sound quality. The built-in microphone and CVC80 noise reduction ensure clear hands-free calls. With up to 12 hours of playback and a fast 2-hour charge time, this adapter supports continuous use while charging. Easy to set up, simply plug it into your car's AUX input, pair it with your phone, and enjoy music and calls. It also connects to 2 devices simultaneously, providing seamless audio switching. The next is. Number 10. Astro AIL7 Portable Tire Inflator. The Astro AIL7 Portable Tire Inflator is now available for around $19 with a 50% discount. This compact and efficient air compressor features an advanced true gauge screen, delivering accurate readings with a data rate 60% higher than the market average, ensuring safe driving. It offers 4+N smart modes for car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom inflation with 4 pressure units to choose from. With a 150 psi maximum pressure and 17 liters per minute airflow, it inflates tires 2x faster, refilling a 195 65R15 tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes. The built-in 4000 mAh battery allows up to 8 tire inflations on a full charge. It also features an auto-off function for hands-free use. This versatile tool includes a flashlight with 3 modes, USB-C, and USB ports for emergency power, making it an essential multi-purpose device for any traveler. The next is Number 9. Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This tire pressure gauge is now available for around $7 with a 38% discount. This expert-grade tool is calibrated using professional-grade equipment, delivering quick and accurate measurements within 1 psi for reliable results. Its illuminated nozzle and backlit LCD screen make it easy to use in dimly lit environments, ensuring you can find the valve stem and get precise readings. The gauge offers 4 pressure units, PSI, bar, KGF/cm, and KPA, easily switchable with the press of a button. Its ergonomic, compact design provides a comfortable grip and easy storage. The power-saving feature automatically shuts off after 30 seconds to extend battery life. It comes with 3 LR44 alkaline batteries for immediate use. Plus, the included Presta to Schrader adapter ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including bicycles, motorcycles, sedans, and trucks, making it a versatile and convenient tool for any driver. The next is Number 8. Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel, now priced around $7 with an 11% discount, is the perfect tool for car detailing. This versatile gel is designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your car, such as air vents, steering wheels, cup holders, dashboards, and door handles. It's an essential cleaning supply for both men and women, making car maintenance easy and efficient. Simply press the cleaning gel into cracks, and it picks up dust and debris. The gel is made from natural materials and has a pleasant lavender scent, ensuring it's safe for your car's surfaces. It's reusable, allowing multiple uses until it turns black. After use, store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Not only for cars, but this cleaning gel can also be used on electronics like keyboards, laptops, and TV remotes, making it a great tool for both home and office cleaning. The next is Number 7. Vacuum Magnetic Phone Holders. This phone holder is now available for around $22, offering a 15% discount. Designed for iPhones with MagSafe, iPhone 12 to 17, and Android phones, Samsung, Google, Motorola, OnePlus, it includes a magnetic ring for non-MagSafe devices. The holder attaches securely to dashboards, windshields, mirrors, and screens, making it ideal for driving, workouts, or cooking. With 22 and 52 neodymium magnets, it delivers a powerful suction of up to 2,200 GN, ensuring a stable hold in extreme conditions. The included nano gel pad and PC pad offer reusable or permanent installation options for versatile use. The next is Number 6. Hodo Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This car vacuum cleaner, priced around $129, offers powerful cleaning with a 225 watts brushless motor, delivering up to 23,000 pascals of suction. Featuring 3 suction levels, it efficiently handles quick touch-ups or deeper cleans. Its dual functionality allows for vacuuming and blowing, making it versatile for car vents, air mattresses, and outdoor use. The vacuum includes 4 specialized attachments for tight spaces, desks, and hard-to-reach areas. Weighing only 2.09 pounds, it's easy to use with one hand. A quadruple filtration system ensures a dust-free cleanup, while the one-touch dust release simplifies emptying. The next is Number 5. Car Electric Kettle for Travel. This car electric kettle is now available for around $27, with a 7% discount. This 12-volt mini kettle is designed for vehicles and features 2 modes, a keep warm function, 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and a boil function. It's compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and RVs. With a 400 milliliters capacity, it boils water in 28 to 35 minutes. The upgraded LCD screen with touch controls makes temperature adjustments easy, displaying the real-time temperature. The kettle is made of durable 304 stainless steel and includes a safe flip lid. Ideal for road trips, camping, and commuting, this portable kettle ensures you have hot water whenever you need it. The next is Number 4. Holder Trunk Organizer. This trunk organizer is now available for around $21 with a 27% discount. This versatile organizer features 3 large compartments, 8 additional pockets, and a 23L detachable cooler bag, offering up to 92L of storage space. The cooler bag is leak-proof, waterproof, and insulated, keeping food and drinks cool or warm. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it's designed to withstand heavy use. Adjustable Velcro strips allow for a customizable size, making it perfect for SUVs or any vehicle. With easy access and great visibility, this organizer keeps your car trunk tidy and efficient. The next is Number 3. Gulwa 3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This jump starter with air compressor is now available for around $69 with a 36% discount. This powerful 3000 amp jump starter supports 12V vehicles, including engines up to 9.0L gas and 6.5L diesel. It can jumpstart even with a low battery by pressing the boost button. The A3 also features a tire inflator with 5 modes: SUV, car, bike, ball, and customizable, and a 150 psi capacity. It inflates a Tesla Model 3/white tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. This 7-in-1 device serves as a jump starter, power bank, LED flashlight, and more. It includes 10 safety protections and a smart LED screen for easy operation. Ideal for emergencies and outdoor use, it's built to endure extreme temperatures. The next is Number 2. Rovar 2 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. This dash cam is now available at around $129 with a 13% discount. This advanced dash cam offers dual-channel recording, capturing both the front and rear views simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1080p 1920x1080p at 30 fps footage, providing clear video of both directions. With a 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide angle, it ensures comprehensive coverage. Equipped with Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality, even in low light. The ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows you to download footage up to 20 MB/s to your smartphone and manage the settings through the Rove app. Built-in GPS records real-time speed, compass, and location data on the video. Additionally, the dash cam comes with features like motion detection, G-sensor, emergency video lock, and supports up to 1 TB micro SD cards. A 128 GB micro SD card is included. The next is Number 1. CC Electric Cordless Car Hydraulic Jack. This car hydraulic jack, priced around $48, brings convenience and ease to tire changes. Say goodbye to tangled cords. This cordless jack offers complete freedom, allowing you to lift your car with minimal effort. Its one-button operation can be controlled either remotely or via onboard buttons, giving you flexibility to operate it from a safe distance. Powered by a 4,000 mAh lithium battery, it provides 6 to 8 full lifts per charge and can be fully recharged in just 100 minutes. The jack lifts your car in just 90 seconds, making it efficient for quick tire changes, whether at home or on the go. With a 5-ton, 11,000 pounds capacity and a June 1, 2017 7-inch lifting range, it fits sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Weighing just 17.4 pounds, it's portable and easy to store, making it a must-have for travelers and roadside emergencies. The next is